President Choi, executive officers, directors, past directors, Lion leaders and friends. I am extremely grateful to Forum Chairman Dr. Malu and also the Forum Organizing Committee Chairman, past Director Vijay Raju, for permitting to speak to all of you. The Lion delegates, 3,000, have assembled here today of our historic virtual forum this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so very happy that all of you agreed to participate, even though it is on a virtual, to be here and to be witness to our President's address. A very distinguished speaker, the Minister of Central Government and a dear friend, Lion Rotarian Piyush Goyal, and all of you, ladies and gentlemen. Forum is a very important occasion. It's not district conference, it's not multiple conference, it's not international conference. It's a conference which is free and it is not constitutionally bound by any law or legal, but allowing the Lion leadership from the constitutional area to assemble themselves to talk about various subjects and certainly impart a great training. I must compliment past Director Vijay Raju and his team for taking a bid. It's a Herculean task to collect so many things at so many places, and I understand that Vijay Raju is in Bombay to see that he is able to coordinate all the activities and all the proceedings of the conference that you are going to witness for the next 3 days. Friends, you are all aware that Lions Convention, International Convention, it was not held in Singapore. Next convention in 21, Lions leadership is yet not very sure whether it will be held in Montreal or not. They did discuss among the board directors in the last board meeting on virtual that they would like to certainly have a conference, but where and when, they are not very sure. So there are some uncertainties prevailing, but you are all aware that with the effort of past President Naresh Agarwal and his team, we are going to hold historical international convention in India. And I took an opportunity and took the permission from Dr. Malu and the organizing committee chairperson, Mr. Vijay Raju, to allow me to speak to you on some of the responsibilities and the opportunity that we are going to have. Friends, almost 70 years of Lionism in this part of the world. Beirut Lions Club in 1950-51 was the first Lions Club in this area. From there on, 56, India came Lionism, and you are all aware about it, because most of the delegates that I see here are from India. But we tried our best in past. When Rohit Bhai was the president in 92, 93, you are all aware that the convention was in Spain, Madrid, Spain, but not held there. We had to take the convention to Hong Kong in 1992. Later on, Rohit Bhai became president. We certainly tried to have a convention in India, but we didn't have the sufficient requirements. 5,000 first-class rooms, 1,000 delegate transportation, and the convention hall accommodating at least 10,000 Lion delegates. So from that point of view, we were not able to meet the requirements. So 1992, Rohit Bhai and the team tried to have a convention in India. When Rohit Bhai was the director in 1970, ladies and gentlemen, Rohit Bhai was elected the director in New Jersey, in Atlantic City. And a lot of delegates has gone from here. My home club, Lions Club Sion, also had sent 7 delegates there. So from that point of view, in New Jersey, in Atlantic City, we did hold a convention. Rohit Bhai gave a bid for holding a board meeting then. The president from United States. We decided to have a board of directors meeting in Mumbai. But unfortunately, as the luck would have it, our organizing committee chairperson then thought it would not be proper to hold a board meeting there. All the Lions of India then were disappointed. There are many reasons, ladies and gentlemen, that the convention to be held, and convention we can hold, and convention we can organize. I am talking, ladies and gentlemen, international convention. Again, when I became the president in 2005, I appointed past director Sushil Agarwal. Wherever he will be, I would like to pay my greatest homage to him. I am sure you are aware that he is no more. But most important, ladies and gentlemen, there was a convention division at Government of India. I gave a chart to Sushil Bhai, the director Sushil Bhai, to see that we are able to bring in the convention in India. We tried our best. We were not successful. But Naresh Bhai was a very determined man. Past director Naresh Agarwal was a very determined man. He decided and went through all the requirements. We had a visit of then the vice chairman of the school, vice governor of convention, in past president Dr. Tem, along with the convention staff, visited us. And they went down to Delhi. Delhi is the only area where we can meet the requirements. Their first reading was, the first survey was, they were favorably inclined. So they went to the board. You are all aware that normally the convention is decided the board of directors. There are many bids comes in, many attractions that is given to you. I remember when we went to Australia in 1991 in Brisbane Convention, the transportation, including train transport, the bus services, if you are wearing a lapel peel, you are allowed to travel free of charge. And I remember that convention also helped the solving the economy. I remember vividly every electric pole that was there at the Brisbane Convention said, guests are welcome because you are going to solve or help or solving the economy. Because the estimated income that comes in the economy of a country, they estimated out 30,000 Lion delegates who will come to India. They spend almost an average about 7 to 8 days in the convention. After that, they visit the various places in India, because India is a very important country and many of them were certainly looking forward. And for ISAME, it's certainly very first time that's being held, the convention is being held first time in India. So everybody is looking forward to India Convention. And 2022 is a convention in Delhi. Our team recently met and they discussed among themselves the various things, various alternatives. Venue is getting ready now. So, I am sure, friends, each one of us looking forward. What is expected of Lions of India is so very important. They will not only be coming to convention, delegates coming from all over the world. We are talking of 210 countries. At least on an average, about 130 countries participate. You have seen, some of you have come to convention. You are all aware that how much of efforts the convention committee, the convention division puts in to make it a convention successful. You are all aware that past President Joseph Wroblewski is in charge of the convention division and convention committee, and he has been successfully organizing many, many conventions since 1987, ladies and gentlemen. Joseph Wroblewski, the past president of our association, is in charge of the convention in 1987. 87 was the last convention when it was headed by Fukushima, and 88, Joseph Wroblewski took over. So he had a lot of expectation from India. He had not been able to come to visit the site yet, but I am sure, God willing, the corona will be over by that time, and we will certainly have an opportunity to host past President Joseph Wroblewski to come to India, inspect, and then finally we decided to go ahead to hold the convention. There are certain discipline required, friends. I remember, friends, 1989, in a convention in Miami, in United States, friends. When we went there, we had 1,400 delegates from India. How many? We had 1,400 delegates from India going to Miami Convention for Rohit Bhai. And friends, the general discipline. You are all aware that Indians, when they get into bus, they never stand in the queue. They use the elbows. I think it's time for us to understand the guests are God. And as I told you, that it helps in solving the economy. 30,000 delegates not coming to convention only for 6, 7, 8 days. They will be going around the country. And you will be hosting them at various places. It's not only India. They will be going to Sri Lanka, they will be going to Pakistan, they will be going to Bangladesh. The delegates coming in because India and the Islamic countries are so very well known, but they have never come here. They would like to certainly see our projects. Because I remember Don Banker, President 91-92, used to say what Lions of India do, what Lions of Islam do in a day, what Lions of the world do in a year. So you are a magician, friends. You create a lot of projects for them. So they would like to certainly see, because you are all aware that we are one of the largest recipients of the LCF grants. So ladies and gentlemen, I would request you to see that we are able to maintain complete discipline among ourselves, to see that we are a good host, and the Lions of the world will remember the visit in 2022 when they come to India and Delhi for hosting our convention. Most important, friends, discipline is the word. If you observe discipline, I am sure you are all aware. Hong Kong, we went in 1992. Again, we went in 2005. When I became the president, again the convention was held in Hong Kong. So you will get another opportunity, maybe Bombay, maybe Calcutta, maybe Chennai. By that time, we will be ready for convention. I remember when Dr. Lee was president, we went to Hyderabad. We met then Chief Minister Dr. Naidu. And he said, please tell me, I will be able to host the convention for you. What are the requirements, you tell me. So there are people.